Alright, let's get started. First off, my name is TJ. I have frequent sneezing fits, and this is supposed to be a sneeze channel. My nose is a little tickly right now, so if I do, that's great. If I don't, sorry. I plan on doing more like scenarios and things like that. I've gotten really good at holding back and hitching with sneezing and whatnot, and things like that. I do hope that you'll end up enjoying my enjoying my sneezes, as well as the scenarios and things that I could possibly come up with. Requests are always appreciated, and don't ever be afraid to leave request or anything else. I'm allergic to cats, perfume, grass, dust, and a myriad of other things. So I have very frequent fits throughout the day, and I think that's going to be it for this introduction. I'll try to come out with another video or a scenario soon. Thank you for your time.